I wanted to make a special holiday drink, so I'm doing a Thanksgiving version of a classic, and I'm calling it the Mayflower Manhattan. So, in a mixing glass full of ice, we take 2 parts of wild turkey rye, get it, 1 part of sweet vermouth, 2 big dashes of bitters, stir, and strain into a big cocktail glass. Then we garnish with a classic orange twist. And for a little extra holiday flavor, we add some fresh cranberries that we marinated overnight in Grand Marnier. And there you have it, the Mayflower Manhattan. And you, of course, can either serve this straight up or on the Plymouth Rocks. And just don't forget to follow your governor's restrictions and no more than 9 of these in one sitting. Cheers and happy Thanksgiving.